Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge.
8 नवंबर 2016 की रात्रि को 12 बजे से
चीफ मिनिस्टर के लिए मेरा एक ही संदेश है कि वो राज धर्म का पालन करें।
हार्डवेयर वालों की सोच क्या होती है, हार्ड वर्क वालों की सोच क्या होती है।
अरे ये ना पंजाब की खुशबू।
Hello, folks. Welcome to Bhaja Pod Ladies. Today we're talking about the evolution of serials, like in Hindi serials across television shows from the last 2, 3 decades, I think. Yes. And we're going to be talking about, we're going to be going into K serials, how they emerged, the Ekta Kapoor phenomenon, how that changed TV forever and catapulted Smriti Irani into our lives. So we talk about that. We take a quick peek into the 90s, Tara, Shanti, Saas, as well as regressive things, that came afterwards. And also we talked about, some of the most memeable serials today, which is, what is the memeable serial?
साथ
I
निभाना
forgot
साथ
the
क्या
name of that.
The
Yes,
serial is called
Saathi.
Gopi Bahu.
Serial is called Gopi Bahu. You don't really know the name of the serial. Nobody knows the name of the serial. It's called Gopi Bahu. And then we have a really nice discussion into Nagin and the world of you know
Where we've
women
scientifically
that change
explained.
into women that change into snakes. So yeah, welcome to the pod, and we have Amrita with us.
Hello.
We have our usual Kesar with us.
हेलो
And we have a very special guest today. We have Shweta, who's, go ahead and plug
Hello.
whatever you're on and tell us a little bit about yourself.
So, I am a sarcastic individual. This was my introduction on the server also. I like to talk in sarcasm. Sometimes it lands, sometimes it goes all over the place, as you will see in this episode. We completely failing all the time. What I do a bunch of things. I'm a mixologist. I manage popular minor YouTubers. I work closely with Meghnad. I work closely with Puneet Pania. Uh, what else? I also am a influencer, like I like to call myself that. So you can follow me on my Instagram. It is prejudiced number 4 for perfection. Yeah, that's all about what I'd like to plug.
All right. Welcome to the show.
Let us begin.
So, the way we'll structure this is we'll try to go chronologically. We'll start with what we think was the defining serials of the last 3 decades almost is going to be those Ekta Kapoor serials. But we want to talk a little bit about what came before, like what exactly was happening in the culture that we had to be suddenly subjected to Ekta Kapoor, and uh, why that pain was inflicted upon us and in our lives so suddenly, never to be removed again. And so I know you guys are probably younger, so maybe Amrita, you've probably not seen too many of the serials before K serial. Did you know a life before then, before Ekta Kapoor?
No, no. My mom told me about them, but I don't know. I know Bunyad and all was supposedly very nice, but I obviously haven't watched any of
Okay.
those.
And how about you?
Bharat Ek Khoj, I watched like a couple of episodes for
हाँ
work. There was some work related
हाँ
thing, so I
लेकिन
watched Bharat Ek Khoj.
उससे भारत एक खोज is even older. Like it's not a, I wouldn't even consider it like a serial, like a
Right.
धारावाहिक.
No, it's not. Yeah, it was just on DD
Yeah, I think
when they did like educational
yeah,
programming.
it's kind of educational, a little bit different. What about you, Shweta? What was your experience with?
So, because I'm an 80s kid, I saw all the 90s serials. I saw all the 2000 serials also. And the funniest thing was that as I was growing up in my teens, I was seeing MTV, which was a very, very big deal back in the day, 90s mein. And side by side seeing all these 90s serials with my mom at night also. So that was a nice healthy mix of pop culture. growing up with
What is your favorite 90s serial?
90s favorite serial. I think Dekh Bhai Dekh. Dekh Bhai Dekh was
Ek
my
Dekh. Ah,
favorite thing to watch because it
nice.
was funny, It was
Yeah.
like one of the rare funny things around.
Hmm. Nice. So you didn't, what about even more serious ones like Shanti or Tara or even later on Saas?
So I saw all of these, like I
Yeah.
saw Saas and Shanti, but I was too young to understand Ho Kya Raha Hai serial. Like my mom used to
Hmm.
love that serial and the storyline and the messaging and all. And I was like scratching my head, थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है मेरे को इधर इधर I'm used to a very typical mom dad living happily ever after situation और ये सीरियल में कुछ और ही दिख रहा है वो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है बहुत डार्क है काफी जन दुखी हैं पता नहीं क्यों so I couldn't relate at that age point but I think
Mhm.
as I grew a little bit you had more context and maybe we should give some context to Amrita and Nidhi because I think they are kind of looking like question marks कि ये क्या है
मुझे तो सास के clips भी नहीं मिले on YouTube. Like I just these serials have kind of just disappeared from the ether. Like they don't really exist online anymore. Just a
Hmm.
few of them you will find again, but yeah, not too much.
Also, remember once SAS ka like within like 2 weeks or 3 weeks of SAS airing, those Nina Gupta bindis with the red dot and that
Hmm.
line below became so iconic. Like I saw so
Yeah.
many women copying that style, and that was like pop culture influence. So nostalgic.
Yeah. Did you watch the other more slapstick comedies like Hum Panch
Yeah,
and what is the other one? Tu Tu Main Main,
yeah,
which
yeah,
is
yeah.
also Saas Bahu, but
Yes,
it was so much funnier.
it was so much
I wish
fun.
that I wish that remained our version of Saas Bahu serial.
But do you think that if Tutu Meme aired today, it would not be woke? So, guys, just for context, Tutu Meme is like nok joke, daily nok joke between a sas and a bahu done very funnily. So, some of them are very typical female tropes, etc. So, I don't think they would fly today.
Maybe not. I think कि वो relationship ही अब इतनी important नहीं रही और उसके जो unique facets हैं at least for a metro audience I don't think they're relevant
Hmm.
anymore. Like my mother was telling me the other day, यार अब तो बहुओं के पास ही सारा पावर होता है सास को ही केयरफुली रहना पड़ता है.
No, no, but like my mom's generation, and I'm sure your
Mhm.
mom's generation also has this constant cribbing conversation amongst themselves. If you eavesdrop on their phone
Yes.
conversations, they're almost talking to each other and always saying like, हमने कितना सफर किया पहले मम्मी की सुनी फिर सास की सुनी अब फिर बेटियों की सुनी अब बहुओं के सुन रहे हैं our generation is sandwiched between working for all the others and it's like such a typical rant.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. So I do hear this, and I think maybe that's why they related to these case serials a little bit more,
Yeah.
because they all had to deal with working within the patriarchal structure of their family, right? Or उस patriarchal structure में one of the enforcers of that patriarchal structure is the sas, the mother-in-law
Yeah.
itself, and she like enforces a lot of those patriarchal norms within your household. And it was but natural कि there was a little bit of a uh, protest. Like what is the word I'm looking for?
Pushback. I think it is
Pushback.
more
Yeah.
pushback
Huh.
because what I thought, like even with the whole rise of Ekta Kapoor, right? And that sort of serials, the background there was that primarily the woman was a housewife and
Mm-hmm.
she was managing the whole household. She was taking a lot of important decisions for the family unit,
Mm-hmm.
but she could never display her power and authority. So she was always in a position of massaging everybody's egos, but getting her decision through because her decision was actually right for the family unit. So I think what Ekta Kapoor started with was portraying that. And I think a few of the initial ones did it quite well because it showed a person who was actually very much in control of the family unit, but could never outwardly show their power and never be like, oh, can we abuse? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
So uh,
हाँ कर
it
लो
was never a situation where, you know, the Adarsh Bahu could say, shut the fuck up, मैंने बोला ये करने का तो ये करने का, आज ये सब्जी बनेगी तो बनेगी. This was never what that generation could ever do. Today, most of our women are working. We have so many other responsibilities and issues on our head that we have shorter fuses. Like if I am running a family unit, I will at a lot of points in time probably just snap and be like, this is what I'm saying must happen. This must happen, no questions, you know. So I think, yeah, a lot of time, energy, and effort was spent in making the whole situation congenial and cordial, but as per me, for women back in the day.
What I find very interesting is I think कि जो 90 serials थे, they showed more women working and leading like fuller lives outside the homes, whereas K serials are completely focused on कि वो घर पे क्या कर रहे हैं, और none of them really had jobs. So it feels like a step back.
yeah because that Mandira Bedi thing, isn't she like a
Yes.
journalist or
She
something?
is. So those were the 90s serials, like the Tara, the Shantis, the Saas, right? They were very hatke stories.
Maybe
And
they were less relatable. I don't know.
no, I think they were very aspirational. So I think a lot of women looked at them as we could never get there, but at least somebody is telling us the difficulties
What it
that we
feels
would
like.
face if that were to happen.
So they were tickling your aspirations, but these K serials are like, dal chawal.
हाँ, the K serials were just glorifying your role कि तुम्हारा ये जो रोल है वो कैसे करोगे तुम.
Okay. अच्छा निधि, आप बताएं, what was your experience with serials and did you grow up also watching K serials?
एक तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम तक टीवी नहीं था, और जब था तो डीडी नेशनल था. एंड डीडी नेशनल पर इस तरह के सीरियल्स नहीं थे. एक्चुअली उस पर बहुत ज्यादा कहीं कृषि दर्शन आ रहा है, तो मैं खेती के बारे में सीख रही थी. फिर कहीं उर्दू की गजलें आ रही हैं तो मैं उर्दू सीख रही थी. फिर उर्दू न्यूज आ रही है तो मैं उर्दू देख रही थी. फिर और उसमें जो सीरियल्स आते थे वो मतलब बजट लो रहता था, बट दे वर रियली नाइस. एंड आई वुड से उस टाइम के हिसाब से काफी लिबरल रहते थे. मतलब लड़कियों की एजुकेशन पे, मतलब मैंने जितने भी सीरियल्स देखे हैं ग्रोइंग अप, वो ऐसे थे कि गांव में जैसे एक सीरियल था, मुझे उसका नाम नहीं याद है. वो गांव का सेटअप था, तो उसमें एक टीचर है, एक एएनएम है, और वो एजुकेट कर, मतलब ऐसा ऐसा बता नहीं रहे हैं, वो सीरियल में ही सेटअप ऐसा है कि वो घर जाकर के लोगों को डिजीज के बारे में बता रहे हैं, वैक्सीनेशन के बारे में बता रहे हैं, जो टीचर हैं. तो थोड़ा सा कहीं लव एंगल है, बट वो फोकस नहीं है सीरियल का. वो बीच बीच में कहीं आ जाता है. उसमें विधवा विवाह भी दिखा दे रहे हैं, उसमें सब कुछ दिखा दे रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक डीडी नेशनल के उस टाइम के सीरियल्स का एक ही गोल था कि एजुकेट करना लोगों को. तो मैंने वो सब देखा है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि ये जो सेट टॉप बॉक्स आने लगा जिसमें कुछ फ्री चैनल्स आते थे. तब तक शायद मैं 8 में थी. तो फ्री चैनल्स वाले में ये जी टीवी और इन सब के पुराने रीरन्स चलाने लगे ये लोग शोज के. तो वो कुछ कुछ चलते थे, तो वो बीच बीच में मैंने कहीं कहीं देखे हैं कि वही सास बहू और यही सब जो सीरियल्स हैं जो कभी फेमस हुआ करते थे, उसका ही वो चलाते रहते थे. तो वो सबका स्क्रिप्ट सेम था. आई थिंक सबका सेट भी सेम ही था, वो एक शूट करके दूसरा आ जाता था. आई थिंक
Yes.
कॉस्ट्यूम्स भी सेम ही रहे होंगे. और एक तरह
Yes.
की बातें, वही वही हस्बैंड है, वो पता नहीं अपना बैग लेके रोज किधर चला जाता है. और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सारे हस्बैंड एक ही घर में सब एक ही टाइम पे प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, तो ऑफिस कौन चला रहा है? और पूरा खानदान तैयार है जैसे शादी में जाने के लिए. सबका सारे सीरियल्स का सेटिंग वही था. तो मेरा डीडी नेशनल का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, और ये वाले चैनल्स देखने का मौका नहीं मिला कभी. तो ये
अब
सब
टू
बच गए
टू
मैं इससे।
डबल डाउन ऑन निधि, बचपन में मेरा प्राइमरी सवाल ये था कि ये लोग जब बेड में से उठते हैं तब ऐसे रेडी उठते हैं क्या? फुल मेकअप, फुल ज्वेलरी, डेक,
Correct.
सारी
Full
परफेक्टली
makeup,
स्टार्च।
jewelry, sari, सब कुछ. Like there is no concept of night
मतलब
clothes,
साड़ी
pajamas.
साड़ी अभी मैं अभी साड़ी पहनती हूँ तो आई आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज पिन करना हर जगह। सोते सोते पिन नहीं हटा तुम्हारे साड़ी का, वो पिन है यहाँ पे अच्छे से।
अरे एक क्रेज नहीं है साड़ी पे, कॉटन की साड़ी है, एक
हाँ,
क्रेज नहीं है।
और
Perfect.
एक आवाज हो रही है उसमें पूरा खानदान फिर से हॉल में इकट्ठा हो जा रहे हैं, मतलब इन पूरे कुछ भी होता है खानदान पूरा एक साथ आ गया वहीं पे। इसके बाद शायद फिर वो
हमारे
जानवरों में बदलने लगे थे, क्योंकि इससे लोग बोर हो गए थे, तो उसके बाद फिर औरतें जानवरों में बदलने लगी।
Correct.
हमारे यहाँ तो like even if like कोई प्लेट गिर गई और टूट गई तो दादाजी will not even get up from the couch while watching
वही
TV.
तो।
और यहाँ सब पूरी फैमिली इकट्ठा हो रही है. That is that was kind of crazy. But I actually want to start with the most famous one from that time, which is क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
हम्म।
And this one is very interesting because somehow we're still dealing with the fallout of that today, and we will explain why. But क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी का premise is basically कि ये एक बहुत बड़ी रिच गुजराती-ish family, एक बहुत बड़ी रिच फैमिली
Yeah,
है and they have a huge
Gujarati family.
business. All a lot of their sons they go to the US, they study and they come back to work in the family business. Okay. So वो जब वापस आते हैं, so the main one in this case is Mihir. He comes back and it starts off with he's having an arranged marriage with somebody his family knows who is also from a rich family, someone called Payal. Okay. Now Payal, you're supposed to dislike Payal from the beginning because Payal likes to party. Okay. Payal likes a good party. Payal thinks about herself. When Mihir
एलियन
calls her
कॉन्सेप्ट।
up, yes, when Mihir calls her up at midnight, saying, मेरा भाई अभी तक घर नहीं वापस आया, she's like, oh, यहीं कहीं होगा, मैं neighbor से पूछ लूंगी, and she doesn't bother and she goes to sleep because she's too tired. I mean, okay, she's a little toxic, and she's conspiring with his mother, which is never good. Never find, never find women like this, apparently. Um, so instead, he finds himself falling in love with a pujari ki beti. So she's the priest's daughter, and she's considered like very nice, always there for the family, always helping out at home. The youngs like her, the olds like her, everybody likes her. She वो पूरा हाँ
Tulsi.
तुलसी. तो वो खाना भी बना लेती है, उसका नाम भी पवित्र है और सब कुछ कर लेती है. She's
Correct.
already doing chores in the house. Okay, she's just a friend of the family, but she's also doing full chores. She's cooking, she's like doing things for everybody. The whole family apparently so dependent on her that they will fall apart if she's not there. Okay, and Mihir eventually he loves this, sacrificial, you know,
प्योर,
Sati
पवित्र,
Savitri type, pure, Pavitra type person.
अनटच्ड।
Yeah, who's yeah, the implication also is that Payal has had relationships in the past and Tulsi has not. So this is pretty clear up front. Or फिर he likes Tulsi, they get married, but his mother, the mother-in-law, the Saas, is never fond of Tulsi because she thinks that she took away this whole friendship that she had with Payal, and she really liked that Payal came from a rich, well-to-do family. And in this case, the Pujari is considered not rich enough, not cool enough for her.
कम
Their
ऑन
family
रिचा,
doesn't
थिंक
have that same
थिंक
standing.
थिंक फ्रॉम मदर इन लॉज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू फॉर 1 सेकेंड, ठीक है? डबल वैमी है, हर चॉइस इज
हाँ.
बीइंग डिस्कार्डेड, ए एंड बी, दहेज भी कम मिल रहा है, बताओ
हम्म.
फिर।
Exactly. कमी रह गई है.
Nah, and Safi. I get it.
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, this stuff happens, and they get married, and Tulsi basically first, uh, acts like the doe-eyed innocent girl कि सास उसके साथ बुरा बर्ताव कर रही है, is trying to cause rifts between her and Mihir, which is really strange to me. But eventually she becomes smart to it and starts fighting back in her own ways, which is actually narratively very satisfying in some ways, because you're like, अरे इसके साथ बुरा हो रहा है, and then this person is fighting back. Like by any objective view of the situation, you're like, okay, अच्छा हो रहा है, this is good. But the thought never occurred to them that maybe they could just, she could just find something else to do with her time. I don't know. Like we can watch a clip unless you guys had specific comments before we
No,
did
no,
that.
I have specific comments. देखो मैंने
Okay.
highlights of the full serial में two very or three rather very iconic episodes slash moments capture किए हैं. Point number 1. Tulsi made ultimate sacrifice. She and Mihir had a child which they gave away to the brother-in-law and sister-in-law because they couldn't conceive. ठीक है? This is supreme sacrifice. Understand? This is setting the bar for all bahus. This is what is happening there. Then Mihir has an affair with that Payal chick. And she forgives infidelity. बताओ यार इतना beautiful person कैसे मिलेगा तुमको? This is
He forgives
training.
infidelity twice.
हाँ, twice.
Because there is another situation that happens afterwards with a different Mihir. I mean, he's the same Mihir, different actor.
No,
who's
wait.
portraying Mihir.
Then the next most iconic and they say कि जब मिहिर की याददाश्त खो गई थी / वो मर गया था, and then Mihir came back as alive back to the serial, right? The day that episode aired, there was empty streets in the country. You understand? This is the power. This is
I
the
can
power
vouch
of
for this.
Kyuss.
I was watching
I was watching this live.
Yes.
They had to bring him back first of all because people wanted him, right? They killed him and then just brought him back because people wanted him to come back. I also heard that people thought he actually died. They had some end frame basically in that episode where he dies, where they wrote the year, whatever, 97 to 2001, whatever, something like that. Not 97. That means he lived 3 years, but whatever. They put the year, so somebody, people thought that the actual actor died. And people are calling Balaji being Mihir mar gaya, and then he had to come to the office to talk to some old Gujarati auntie. I'm like, this is all a bit much.
And the other most important character of the serial, which I would like to point out, is Ba. Ba is the grandmother of Mihir, and she is the person who should advertise for anti-aging creams. क्योंकि मिहिर के बच्चे मर के वापस आ रहे, फिर भी बा नहीं कहीं जा रही है. She is right there and her skin is same.
वो संतूर से नहाती होगी.
Maybe she has the same dermatologist as Modi ji.
मशरूम्स खाती होगी, पसीने से मालिश करते हो.
So she should do ना थोड़ा सा संस्कारी skin care regime. ऐसा.
Correct. Patanjali. Oh my God, Patanjali can do skincare and she'll be the brand ambassador.
They already do skincare. She should be the brand ambassador.
They do skincare. I know they do soap and
That
all.
line मेरी त्वचा से मेरी उम्र का पता नहीं चलता was for her.
That's right. Amrita, did you have any comments on Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, the story and the premise?
No, I actually didn't watch even Kyunki Saas. I think Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata was the first serial that my mom watched. We watched that, Nibhana Satya, then somewhere in the middle we started watching Crime Patrol. Then we just discarded all this and only watched Crime Patrol for a really long time. Which I approve. I think everybody should just watch Crime Patrol.
I think you all
it's
should do
better
a
than
separate
this. It's great.
episode on true crime. It will be fun.
Yes, yes, and we have very. I know a lot of people who would love to be on the true crime episode. Yeah.
But about Kyunki Saas, I never watched it, but I have watched clips because that's what it keeps coming up on Instagram. So I
It
know
is so
the
funny that
basic
you will
thing.
find guests for true crime, but you will not find guests for a case serial.
That's true.
Yeah.
It takes a very specific kind of person
I don't know.
to to come for K serials, to subject themselves to watch them again. The way I prepped for this episode is I followed this Instagram account that daily releases one clip from the show.
Oh,
So,
nice.
yeah.
अभी रिसेंटली साथ निभा नहीं गोपी बहू किस में थी उसके
साथ
क्लिप्स
निभाना
बहुत
साथिया.
ओके
हाँ.
साथ
उसके
निभाना
क्लिप्स बहुत
साथिया
ज्यादा
था।
बीच में आ रहे थे
Yeah,
उसके
yeah.
गोपी और अहम जी के वो अलग अलग ही मतलब वो मीम वालों ने कुछ और ही बना दिया था उसका गोपी और अहम जी का अलग चल रहा था कुछ इट वाज फन मुझे उतना पता है उस सीरियल से सिर्फ इतना पता है
We'll get to this because I'm
Yeah,
really
those
curious
are
about
little
how,
later in the timeline.
because I really want to know how a guy got the name AMG. It's just
I was just
It was appropriate character
going
description.
to say, I was like, that's just some like weird name.
so. Nidhi, do you want to put
Huh,
up the
of
clip
course.
for Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi? So I put up I added a link. It's in the Google Doc. So this is like a typical plot in which, first one side is scheming, then the other side is scheming, and then we find out who wins in the scheme at the end. और बीच में title music आ जाता है. And I didn't put in the super iconic Mihir coming back episode, which I also watched. Sadly, I used to go to a really poor drawing class between the exact time slot, वो afternoon time slot जब वो
Shit,
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी used to be played.
you were learning an actual artistic skill instead of
Yes.
watching shit on TV.
No, it was a very
So
very
unfair.
poor drawing class because all that teacher used to do is like कि लो ये है बुक इसमें से ये कॉपी करके ये ड्रॉ कर लो कलर कर लो like follow exactly and मैं सीरियल लगा देती हूँ. That's what it was.
Okay, y'all can see the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
अरे 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 तुलसी बेटा,
Music
ये क्या
note
कर
करो.
रही हो? मैं तुम्हें काम करने से मना किया है ना. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि तुम्हारी इन हरकतों की वजह से आने वाले बच्चे पर कोई असर हो.
जी माँ, मैं समझ गई. आप ये क्यों भूल जाती हैं कि मैं आप ही की बहू हूँ?
चालाक तो तुम हो ही पहले से. जब समझ ही गई हो तो ये भी सुन लो, तुम्हें वो ही करना होगा जो मैं चाहूंगी. बस तुम्हें घर में सिर्फ बैठना है और वीरानी खानदान के आने वाले वारिस को जन्म देना है. तुम्हें कोई काम नहीं करना है, समझ गई? जी. रघु,
हाँ मालकन,
तुलसी बेटी के लिए नींबू पानी ले आओ.
अभी लाया मालकन.
रघु, उसमें नमक थोड़ा कम डालना. हाँ,
ठीक है तुलसी भाई.
Sarcasm.
थैंक यू माँ. आप मेरा कितना ख्याल रखती हैं, है ना?
My God. Angry डांडिया खेल रहे हैं.
Yeah, this is the best clip ever. This aggressive play of Dandiya.
माँ, ये सब काम आप क्यों कर रही हैं? मधु है, रघु है और फिर तुलसी भी तो है माँ.
नहीं नहीं, तुलसी को अभी काम करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. पर अगर मैं थोड़ा सा काम करूंगी तो मैं दुबली नहीं हो जाऊंगी.
माँ, लेकिन आपकी भी तबीयत ठीक है आजकल. और माँ वैसे भी आपको पीठ का दर्द है. आप काम करेंगी तो वो दर्द बढ़ जाएगा. आपको
How
आराम करना
about
चाहिए.
you
तो
try, राजा
कोई
बेटा?
तुलसी,
अरे?
तुलसी.
आपने बुलाया क्या?
हाँ, तुलसी, तुम्हें डॉक्टर ने कुछ थोड़ा बहुत काम करने के लिए कहा है ना? तो किचन का काम तुम किया करो ताकि माँ को थोड़ा आराम मिले.
लेकिन मीर, अगर मैं किचन में काम करूंगी तो माँ मुझे डांटेंगी.
माँ तुम्हें नहीं डांटेंगी. तुम यहाँ पर काम नहीं करोगी तो मैं तुम्हें डांटूंगा. चलो माँ, रख दो.
क्या कर रहे हो बेटे? अरे
माँ, तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए, चलो कम ऑन।
ऐसी कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
माँ
रघु, माँ के लिए जरा नींबू पानी बना लेना। हाँ
अभी बनाया तुलसी भाभी।
माँ, आप आराम कीजिए, अब ये किचन मेरा है, चिंता मत कीजिए, आप रेस्ट कीजिए। आपको रेस्ट की जरूरत है ना? क्यों नहीं?
So we can stop here, but I wanted to discuss कि भाई इसमें plot
इसमें क्या हो गया?
conflict क्या है?
हाँ, exactly.
They're both
Yes.
trying to impress Mihir, is what I think.
They're both trying to
No?
impress me
No?
here. I think they're both trying to
उनमें
That's
से
the
एक
plot.
का वो
to
बेटा
vie for
है।
his attention.
ये पेट्रियार्की है।
दूसरे में पति है, ऐसा कोई रैंडम
पेट्रियार्की
नहीं
है
है।
ये। एवरीबडी ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस द मेल गाय।
Yes.
और बात बात पे नींबू
That's
पानी
what's
पीने
relatable.
लगते हैं।
दैट इज यूफेमिज्म।
हाँ
Nimbu pani is euphemism for who is on top. The person who is on top
और
tells the other person to drink nimbu pani.
I use this in my daily life.
यू नो दिस इज आप जल लीजिए बिफोर आप जल लीजिए।
Yes.
I'll tell this to my
So-
brother and we'll try to do this.
You need somebody constantly there to make the nimbu pani. भाई उसकी क्या गलती है?
मेरी मम्मी।
एक सेकेंड। व्हाट इज दिस? यू आर बिहेविंग वर्स देन दिस के सीरियल पीपल। मम्मी को डेप्यूट कर दिया नींबू पानी बनाओ। एक्चुअल घरों में ना निधि ऐसे नहीं होता है। एक्चुअल घरों में ऐसे होता है कि तुम बोलो मम्मी नींबू पानी दो, मम्मी बोलेगी खुद उठ के बना ले।
We don't have a मधु काका।
हमारा बजट नहीं है लोगों को हायर करने के लिए फॉर द फन।
This is also aspirational, okay? Ekta madam is trying to tell you कि if you are rich, you will have Raghu, Ramu, and one more, whatever they
छोटू
have.
छोटू।
I read somewhere that for the serial she actually did like a lot of research in like houses that had cable TV, and that's how
Yeah.
this show was created. I want to know what the fuck she asked in that survey. Explain, please. Like, what were the questions
I
of
think
this
they
research?
interviewed a lot of rich or upper middle class urban houses. That
But see, even but like Tara and all of the shows that came before were also catering to those same people, right?
true, but their POV was trying to be very different. So these K serials were made for conforming. They were instruction to conform.
Yeah.
Tara and Sasan, those type of serials were showing you a rebellious character who kind of stands up and goes against society and societal
These people
norms.
are very comfortable. They
Yeah,
don't stand up.
Yeah.
She doesn't even stand up to like her husband or anyone like that. Like there's barely any conflict between them except for infidelity. That's the only conflict.
No, but really, what the fuck was he doing? Like, why couldn't he just take the chaku from his mom
Exactly
and
my
like cut? He caught Tulsi from another
Who
room.
is very pregnant, as you can visibly see, and
Very
you can't get
pregnant.
up from the bed.
Very I didn't feel like that. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत पतली लग रही है। I could not see. मतलब बताते नहीं तो
अरे
बताते
वो
नहीं तो मुझे नहीं पता चलता that she is pregnant.
Exactly.
नहीं पता चलता है वो लास्ट में only when they're about to deliver you get to know for one episode, then suddenly next episode they're again doing house chores suddenly as if you can just
उस
bounce
जमाने
back
में
like this.
प्रोस्थेटिक्स का बजट नहीं था, तो डायरेक्ट 6 month बेबी बम्प और फ्लैट स्टमक।
That's true. I want to speak a little bit about like what happened to Smriti Irani and you know how she captured. Like she became really popular after this. She was a model before she was acting in this, but उसके बाद वो politics में कैसे चली गई? Like, does anybody know Smriti Irani की origin story from politics, or did they just, you know, get her out of thin air? कि भाई yes, she performed this Sati Savitri aspirational Bahu role in the past, so this is people are going to see her in that
Perfect
image.
candidate.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I think for 7 to 8 years this serial went on. I don't know. I mean, I don't remember how many years it
Probably
went on.
longer.
But for all those years, she was the central character, and she as the first such character to become popular, I think everybody imprinted in their head that Tulsi equals Pavitra, ideal, blah blah, and they pulled her up for media and such because of that association.
Yeah, and I think they must have thought that she will get a lot of votes. Women will uh like believe that she did good things in the serial and she would do the same in real life for us.
Yeah, I'm
टीवी
sure.
सीरियल का क्रेडिबिलिटी रियल लाइफ में उन लोगों ने ट्रांसफर करने की
Yeah.
कोशिश करी
But
होगी
do you think this
and
is
which
the
was
That makes
successful.
do you
sense,
think this
though.
is the right wing ideal for a woman?
Yeah, of course it is.
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
of
और
course.
क्या
So
That's all there is, right?
जैसा कि हम जानते हैं लेफ्ट विंग वाले फीमेल आइकन्स के बाल छोटे होते हैं तो उसके तो
Left
लंबे
wing
बाल थे
icon is Payal.
डेफिनेटली राइट विंग
no, I think left wing ka most sanskari version or sanskari person icon would be the Prerna of Kasauti Zindagi, which is another very iconic series.
That was a huge favorite in my household and
Yes.
with my grandparents, and I never understood why, because it just felt like the story was the same, constantly on loop over and over again. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आई थी उसकी story, and I just could not watch it for too long. Although I think Shweta Tiwari was pretty watchable, but
Yeah. So I know a lot of male friends and cousins who used to watch Kasauti Zindagi Ki because Prerna is so cute and Kamalika was so hateable.
Kamalika, I don't know how you can hate Kamalika. She's so iconic. Great music. Okay. Really iconic vamp looks. मतलब
Her
उसकी
makeup,
बिंदी
her bindis, her
Great
blouses.
bindi.
Oh my
Great
God, her
bindi.
blouses are trending even today, man.
Yes. There was an ad which showed Prerna and Kamalika again
Yeah, I have
recently.
that.
किसी को
I'm showing you that. Hold on.
तुम कभी नॉर्मल बिहेव नहीं कर सकती क्या? Don't lose the plot, babe. I really like you. वैसे भी, having catfights is a misogynistic trope. It's meant to reinforce patriarchal status quo.
But everyone knows, एक ब्रैट और डिम्योर कभी दोस्त नहीं बन सकते. क्या काम है मुझसे?
तुम्हारी लुक बहुत स्ले है, इसलिए तुझसे टिप्स मांगने आई हूँ. सच? वो क्या है ना कि सस करने वालों को सस करने के लिए ट्रस्ट इश्यूज चाहिए.
God, you really need help.
तो करो ना.
अच्छा ठीक है. ये देखो 5 ways to style your saree on YouTube. Both one will rock your world. और ये बाल घुमाना बंद करो और ये देखो heat less curl tutorial.
No tears makeup look tutorial.
For you? But no tear makeup tutorial की मुझे क्या जरूरत है?
This is actually kind of nice.
So
Nice.
this is basically them
Yeah.
playing on a advertisement on those roles, yeah,
For YouTube.
And this is like a revival of their characters.
पर उनको ये नहीं लगा जब वो
Yeah.
ये characters खेल रहे थे. Like when they were playing these characters, like तब नहीं लगा कि भाई yeah, you're just enforcing the patriarchal status quo. Like this.
पैसे छाप रहे थे
That
ना.
is true.
ये सब
So we
याद
go
नहीं
back
आता
to the
तुम्हें.
original question, which is कि आज अगर सास बहू का if you play it for comedy, it will probably be woke to some extent, like quote unquote woke.
Quote unquote woke.
They like changed it and like made it trendy and all, no, like that
Yeah.
you can do with anything. Rebranding yourself is not that
So
hard.
on
once you
Kasauti Zindagi Ki, I have only one and one point. Two people played the lead guy, okay? That Suzanne Khan guy, and then he was replaced by Hiten Tejwani. That Suzanne Khan guy was so hot, so hot, so hot. Hiten Tejwani was like a afterthought, ठीक है, also ran. But that is what really caught me on, like the whole Anurag, the Suzanne Khan portrait.
I think he went on to try his hand at movies, right? I think that's why he left the show.
Yeah, that's why he left the show.
Yeah, he's good looking too. Very nice looking.
Also, Mr. Bajaj was so iconic. Ronit Roy, so iconic.
Ronit Roy सारे shows में था क्या? Like सारे K serials में था. I feel like like he is after Tulsi. I probably feel like after Smriti Irani, I feel like he's probably the most iconic person from these K serials.
Across the board, Ronit Roy has been in a lot of serials.
Have you watched Adalat?
Yes,
Is my
yes.
question.
I haven't.
But also
What is
back
Adalat?
then, so Ronit Roy plays a lawyer and
Hmm.
he takes up public
Hmm.
causes type of cases, social justice type of cases. A lot of pro bono, nice work.
Okay, so that's like a good serial, not like these regressive.
Yeah, but most people watched Ronit Roy. Most women watched Ronit Roy in Adalat, like Eye Candy. It was primarily
Ah,
that.
okay.
And of course, very woke feminist thoughts coming out of Ronit Roy's mouth was fun, no? I mean, all in all,
Hmm.
after a hard day's work in the house, in the kitchen, that's a good package to look at.
So, why didn't
Yeah.
we make it more popular than K serials where he's like sad furniture who commits infidelity once in a while?
Because K serial was family watching. Adalat was
Hmm.
uh, afternoon watching. Matar chhilte chhilte.
Ah, okay. Cheaty, cheaty, watching. That this is true. That's funny.
It's also, I think, easier to sell feminism when it's coming from a guy. No, it's very easy to sell like, oh, this guy who's like here to save everybody
Hmm.
over like a woman standing up for
Hmm.
herself.
Did you watch Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, which was essentially Ramayana, I think,
Yes,
right?
it is essentially Ramayana. So if you watched the latest Singham, whatever it is called, the Kareena Kapoor one,
I watched it
I have, I
sadly.
have.
Singham, whatever returns, and Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, same, only ये थोड़ा chewing gum की तरह stretch हो गया, but otherwise same.
Less beating up people, right? Or no?
वो तो रोहित शेट्टी का पीओवी वर्सेस एकता कपूर का पीओवी, इधर कपड़े, कॉस्ट्यूम्स, ज्वेलरी बेटर था.
Probably better actors too. Yeah, it's this is the one I think was the most boring. Kahani
Yeah,
Ghar
but
Ghar
do
Ki
you
was like,
think Sakshi Tanwar, who played the lead in Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki Parvati, got overshadowed by Tulsi? Because Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki used to come at 1.5 an hour time slot, and immediately
Before.
after it was followed by Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahti, and the TRP difference between the two was significant, though they were way beyond the others. But and they were released or started or whatever greenlit months apart.
yeah, actually this is a good point because maybe people found Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki less relatable. It's a bit too goody and nice. Is that maybe what the problem was? And they needed more conflict?
Yeah, so I think you're right. That is a good observation point. Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki had less कलेश. इस देश में कलेश is equal to TRP. ये that is the problem with Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki. Also,
Yeah, I
please,
think
everybody should note that back in the day, all K serials had abbreviated names. So, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहती was KSBK something ऐसा.
KBT.
It's so much more harder. How can your abbreviation be harder to say than the actual name?
KZK, KGGK.
KSB, KBT sounds like a fucking OTP. What is that?
6 letter. उससे तेज तो नाम बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ, वही.
Yeah, but any other notes on K serials before we move on to the next generation of serials after K serials, which were Nagin serials and whatnot.
No.
They really tried to make like thunder strike twice, no, like lightning strike twice after they made Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahti. They tried keeping to like templatize it, but I guess it didn't work as well.
So even before we go to like the animal conversion era, which I know very little to almost nothing about, but there are a bunch of those serials which came in the late 2000s, right? Which were your like your Balika Vadhu.
Balika Vadhu was, I think, the most popular TV show at one point of time in India.
And
These I know.
these came about. So Balika Vadhu is where colors came around. उससे पहले there was only Star Plus and Ekta Kapoor and Balaji Telefilms all together in one cohort making these K-name serials. When colors came up with Balika Vadhu, it was a shift. Balika Vadhu, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, and साथ निभाना साथिया. This is a new triumvirate that came about in late 2000s.
How is this genre different from the K serial genre, or is it like an evolution of the same?
it is an evolution. So, Balika Vadhu had that child marriage.
You're taking real liberties with the word when you say
No,
evolution.
but at least Balika Vadhu had that child marriage angle where they try to show regressive practices and the effects of those on life.
One thing I noticed in these serials, it all of these serials started ये बालिका वधू के टाइम के सारे serials का colors और इन सब पे these serials started with very different plots and very different characters और सब कुछ, but after a month or two they all
Yeah.
converged. सबका एक
हाँ,
ही
क्योंकि
स्टोरी हो जाता है
5 एपिसोड तुम हफ्ते में 5 एपिसोड निकालने हैं तुमको.
वही
3
तो
seasons a days, it's a little
हाँ, इतनी
insane.
creativity.
हाँ 2 महीने बाद वो सास बहू पति नंद
Correct.
उस पे ही आ जाता था.
Correct.
वो शुरू कहीं से भी हुआ, डीएसपी डॉक्टर आईएएस का
That's very true.
सास बहू पति नंद देवर जेठ जेठानी, बस इस पे ही आके फिर वही
हाँ,
लड़ाई
and
झगड़ा.
then
वो
the
तो
typical
फिर देखते ही हैं सब
Punarjanam
लोग.
and all that and all that. वो सब तो
हाँ,
memory
पुनर्जन्म,
loss.
plastic
loss.
surgery.
Memory
Memory
loss
loss.
is such a lazy trope. Like it is such a lazy plot point. Like memory loss और वो वापस भी आ जाती है.
Hmm.
Like very easily. I just hate that as a plot point. And it's there in every serial.
Also, people being in coma because they now have contracts with other reality TV shows. They'd just
Also,
be in
the
a
late
coma.
2000s wale serials, especially the colors, they started a trend of the whole unit going abroad and doing a shoot there. So they had to write a plot around it कि पूरा family चला whatever, America,
budget
Malaysia,
बढ़ गया.
जिधर भी. So that was funny, and it was like a full portrayal of Indian culture in whichever country they went to. So that, and so like Balika Vadhu, like I was saying, initially it was supposed to showcase how child marriage can lead to real life complications and issues today, and you should not do it. But I think after about 2 or 3 months, like Nidhi was saying, they lost the point. And they were like, now this girl has grown up, she's of age, and now she has seamlessly integrated into the family. Are, what was your whole point? What message did you start with, and where have you come down to? But yeah, that happened with that.
They
Also,
probably made more money than they expected, and then they needed to extend the plot and extend the show
Yeah.
with like more typical.
I think it
They
also
were
happens because
using
there's absolutely no like ideological sincerity with any of them,
Mhm.
right? It starts as, oh, let's do something different, but once
yes.
like it's high stakes also. They're making so much money, they're doing so much for TRP, it's bound to end up like
Yeah.
this. It's no surprise.
हाँ, स्टार्ट ऐसे होता है कि जो मेन लीड है फीमेल, उसको पुलिस बनना है, पुलिस आईएसटी कुछ भी बनना है, तो किस तरह से डिफिकल्टीज हैं फैमिली में और ये सब तब तक इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है. और वो पुलिस में जाते जाते वो किसी के प्यार में हो जाती है, फिर वो उससे शादी कर लेती है, फिर वो बहू बन जाती है. और एक बार बहू बन जाती है तो फिर क्या पुलिस क्या डॉक्टर सब एक ही है.
You're saying
Diya
that
aur
Diya or
Bati
Bati
Hum.
Hum or what? She doesn't fall in love with
She's
him.
forced to
She's
marry
forced
him.
to marry him for some reason. I think
नहीं
that dad
नहीं,
tries something to happen.
एक दूजे
एक कुछ और भी था जिसमें वो लोग गरीब थे बहुत, पता नहीं, वो कुछ और सीरियल था जिसमें वो बहुत गरीब
Sasural
थे, and I
Simar
loved
Ka, the
that
two
serial.
sisters get married to the two brothers. No.
वो कुछ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर ही बनती है,
One sec.
आईएएस या ऐसा कुछ, एंड दे वर रियली
Why?
पुअर फैमिली.
I think I know. It starts with G or something. I think I know, but I can't remember the name.
And I like the lead too. She was like
Oh,
dark skinned, so I admired that कि कुछ तो कहीं कुछ तो represent कर रहे हैं थोड़ा ढंग
Nice.
से.
ये
बिल्कुल नाम भूल गई.
तो but I want to go back to Sasural Simar का. ये why do two sisters get married to two brothers? ये package
okay.
deal
I'll
करते हैं
tell.
क्या है?
No. I'll tell you what happened. Okay, there are two sisters. Okay, the younger one is the very sanskari one. The elder one is aspirational. She has some career related things. So on the day of the marriage, she is set to the elder sister is set to marry the elder brother of the other family, and she has a career thing on her marriage day, so she goes away there. And the younger one gets married to the elder brother in her place.
Hmm.
And then
Totally normal because women are replaceable
yeah,
one with the other.
interchangeable sisters ही
Yeah.
तो हैं. हम आपके
हाँ,
हैं कौन से देख रहे हैं हम?
किसी को
that's
क्या ही
true.
पता चलेगा.
Call back to old Bajap episode.
हाँ, so the elder sister wants to go for a dance competition. Very, very unsanskari. Correct. So then what they do is they finally accept that because the marriage is not consummated, the younger sister can marry the younger brother and the older sister can marry the older brother. So now suddenly marriage in that house is
Yuck.
like jigsaw puzzle. किधर किधर जहाँ जो fit हो रहा है वो जोड़ दिया जा रहा है. And then of course, typical saas bahu issues, etc.,
Oh
etc.
my
That
Okay,
God.
is
so I have
not
this question. How do they know marriage is not consummated?
हाँ, ये कौन बता रहा है?
the
Who is
conscience of
announcing
the
this?
elder brother.
Okay, so at least he has some conscience. He doesn't find the women replaceable. So he's her beacon of light in this
No, at some point in time
patriarchal
he
darkness.
likes the younger one also. That there is Kalesh, yaar. This is like I'm telling
Ah,
you how the jigsaw puzzle gets solved over a period of years worth of episodes. I have summarized years worth of episode in one line here. So you understand, content ही content होगा.
okay.
एक एक मैंने एक मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था टीवी सीरियल, वो मैंने यूट्यूब पर देखा था कॉलेज में. क्या नाम था उसका?
जस्सी
नहीं
जैसी
जस्सी
कोई
जैसी
नहीं,
कोई
हाँ.
नहीं. हाँ, जस्सी जैसी कोई नहीं.
Jesse Jesse
आई
Koini
लव्ड
was
इट. मुझे
nice.
वो बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा लगता था. तो मुझे अभी भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बड़ा कंफर्टिंग
But
सा लगता है मुझे.
also stop like
हाँ,
जस्सी जैसी कोई नहीं में जस्सी को इतना अगली पोर्ट्रे किया है just because she is nerdy.
Yeah.
नर्डी. या
Glasses.
मतलब अगर स्मार्ट है तो
हाँ,
वो
like
अगली
glasses,
ही दिखती
buck
होगी.
teeth, and doesn't do makeup and wears like very हाँ
बाल हाँ,
sadhana
हेयर
cut
कट इज वेरी
and very
अगली,
like कपड़े which are like very ढके ढके से and
लूज.
yeah.
हाँ, एंड
And
या
then the minute she changes her look, it's like that moment where you have completely transformed and you're like, oh, now she's it girl or whatever of that time.
So for folks listening to us on audio, we had a nice flourish of the Jesse transformation from Shraddha. But I think Jesse Koine ka premise was so interesting because of I think it was a copy of an American show.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. So did you folks ever watch these awful daytime American soaps called The Bold and the Beautiful, The Young and the Restless?
So Bold and Beautiful, I have seen by proxy. I have not seen it myself. So I don't know the
So
plot line.
the plot is basically there are families, multiple generations. Everyone sleeps with everybody else from multiple generations, brother-in-laws, father-in-laws, that's what it is. That's the premise, and that is it is both both a plot point and a problem, and the entire like narrative of the show. But to me, this sounds a lot like Ki Sasural Simar Ka is a watered down version of that, like without the craziness. Or am I completely off? Because I cannot get over this plot point at all.
Oh, no, you're slightly off because so इ- इतना भी incestuous नहीं है ससुराल सिमर का, ठीक
अच्छा.
है? You have to tone it down. We are a desi audience. It has to be sanskari also, na, and there has to be सास बहू issues also. Otherwise, how it will work? And there is that whole that ये दोनों बहनें आ गई हैं तो ये दोनों बहनें पूरे घर पे राज करेंगी वाला angle also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is a bad idea as per the mother-in-law because they will
Okay.
gang up against her, na,
Hmm.
and take control.
Control of what?
Starting with kitchen to house to her life and her little pie of the sky sort
Little
of
world.
moment.
Yeah. Control of the kitchen, it's a very strange thing. It's just key, so when we think about it, like control of the kitchen, what does it actually mean? You control over what food is made, how it's made, and if there is, yeah.
No, I think it starts there, but it also goes on to the economics of the kitchen and the budget of the house. It's
Yeah.
a progression, no?
Yeah. See, Okay, I will not say that adults don't care about where things are kept and how things are organized. They also care about what food is made. But in this world, everyone makes reasonably well food after some point of time, reasonably good food after some point of time. So I think it's also okay they want that um, adulation when something nice is made. They get to take all the credit for it. कि oh ये तो बहुत अच्छा रसोई चलाती है और the financial aspect also comes into it. And then that is like the smallest amount of control that you can have in your life is this control over the kitchen. And this is your way of making sense with your purpose and your life's fulfillment, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you're so oppressed, you need somebody else to oppress.
Yes, that's true. So, Amrita, which one had you watched? You said you had watched, you had started watching around this time.
ये क्या
Yes.
कहलाता
Oh,
है,
okay.
So these
साथ
two
निभाना
are also a
साथिया,
must
प्यार का
discussion.
निभाओ.
ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है and साथ निभाना साथिया.
So let's start with Ye Rishta.
This, I don't know why Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata got popular. Don't even, it's just a normal like girl getting married to a like rich girl getting married, not that rich, I guess. She wasn't as rich as him, and then she gets married to Naitik. That Akshara chick gets married to Naitik, and then she also has like a best friend whose name's Varsha, who also gets married in the
House.
same house
Yes.
eventually.
So ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है I think is the next big breakthrough after क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुती equally popular. Akshara became a huge thing and there was also a big deal made out of Hina Khan being a Muslim person playing a
Muslim,
like a very
yeah.
sanskari Hindu bahu.
Oh, this was
Yeah.
2009.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this will never happen today.
They lose wealth at one point, then they get it back. Yeah, oh my God, I remember them like losing money. So what happens, their company like घाटे में चल रही है, and then they're really sad and everything. So all their employees are like, हाँ चलेगा, हाँ मत दो हमको salary 2-3 महीने हम चला लेंगे, आप इतने अच्छे हो. Something that happens. I'm like, that's crazy.
Not just that, ये
I
रिश्ता
just
क्या कहलाता है
remembered
I guess is still running because
I'm sure. Yeah. Their children have children.
and
ऐसा
the
कुछ है.
trope. So imagine 2009 say I want to say 2025, but at least in 2023 awards there was a nomination for Your रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. So at least till 2023 तो चल ही रहा है. And बीच में हिना खान went out to Big Boss. So they had to replace her in the
Yeah.
serial.
In the TV show. Oh, these TV shows also have awards called
Yes.
Star Parivar Awards,
Yes.
which I have also watched.
And where all the bahus.
I know the music to that.
Yes. And
award
that
show.
jingle is iconic, I agree. And where all these bahus
Yeah.
dress up in the most skimpiest outfits ever and dance on Bollywood songs. That is the highlight of Star Parivar Awards.
Yeah, it's great.
So bahus are not acting sanskari at the award show.
Correct.
Okay.
None of them, I'm sure, I hope none of them behave like this in real life. It would be very
Huh,
concerning.
if you want to see how they behave in real life,
इनको method acting नहीं
when,
करनी
if you want to see
चाहिए.
how they behave in real life, you should see them in Big Boss because Shweta Tiwari went, Hina Khan
Boss.
went, and it was such a revelation. Na? You saw the vamp angle of the Sanskari Bahu.
That's funny.
But
I
their
can't imagine.
expressions don't change. Huh? In Big Boss, all their expressions are Sanskari only.
Nice. So they've learned the sanskari look.
Yes, they have. It's like they are shooting 5 days a week. Also, one more important point to note in all these serials is the Monday episode used to be the big reveal episode. ठीक है? Tuesday, Wednesday episode, filler episode. Miss भी किया तो भी चलता है. Thursdays, build up episode.
Correct.
Fridays, cliffhanger episode. So ये set pattern है
Correct.
daily soap का. And it's
Essentially, it could be one episode.
well, but then
Yeah.
but then capitalism. But also must point out there was something called as Akshara saris. She tied up with some brand, sari brand, and all the saris in the soap were supplied by that brand. So the marketing for the saris was her wearing it in the episode. Brilliant capitalism, na? And she got a crazy
Very
cut
nice.
from it. She made a nice packet.
But why do you think the show was popular? It was pretty tame. It was pretty tame and it wasn't that big a deal. I don't know why it was popular. I also don't know why I watched it. I still
I
remember
think
shit
I
from
don't
that
think
people
Akshara, I call it Akshara only. I don't think that ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है had a real vamp. I think the vamp was the situation.
So it was the Hum Aapke Hain Kaun of
Hmm.
TV serials.
Of TV serials.
The first vampless, villainless TV
यही है
serial.
progressiveness.
So, Kesar, which one did you watch from these? What serial did you start watching?
uh,
You didn't watch any of these growing up?
I didn't get to watch.
You went straight to the
We
drugs.
should
मैंने
study
इसमें से
our
कोई
brains.
नहीं
I'm sure
देखी.
it's benefited her in some way.
नहीं मतलब टाइम, एक तो टाइम नहीं मिला और दूसरा ये सब उस पर आते थे, राइट? यू हैव टू पे फॉर दीज चैनल्स.
Correct.
तो वी डिडंट हैव दैट पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन, सो हम बचे हुए थे इससे. हम डीडी नेशनल
Yeah,
देखते थे
it's
मस्त
great
उसपे,
actually.
Your
क्यूट
brain
लो
was saved
बजट.
from.
That's what I'm saying. We should do a study, I'm sure. It's something
शो
different.
कुछ शोर शराबा नहीं, बहुत ही लाइट वेट, और थोड़ा सा टच आया था इस तरह के सीरियल्स का डीडी नेशनल पर भी. एक 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 सीरियल आता था पवित्र बंधन करके, उसमें
That was also
बंगाली
Ekta Kapoor only, no?
होगा, हो सकता है. तो
Oh,
पवित्र
Pavitra
बंधन में
Bandhan.
वो बहुत ही सिमिलर ऐसा थीम पे था, ऐसा सास बहू, घर की प्रॉब्लम्स, हस्बैंड बीइंग मैड एट हर, बहुत बड़ा है, उसके बच्चे हैं, एंड वो मम्मी देखती थी, वो मैं भी देखती थी, वो मुझे अच्छा लगता था. तो आई थिंक ये होता तो मैं ये भी देख लेती, बट था नहीं देखने के लिए, इसलिए मैं बच गई.
At this point,
Yeah, I think all of us just started watching this because our
Yeah,
moms
but
yeah.
Nidhi, listening to this
Yeah.
conversation so far, what do you think? Would your mom have enjoyed watching this back in the day?
Yes, yes, she watches Pakistani
तो
drama
फिर
even
then
now.
by proxy you would have also watched.
यही करते, हाँ यही करते हैं, वो अभी भी यही कर रहे हैं, घर पे सारे तैयार होकर के, बस वो इतना सिंदूर और टीका और कान में बड़े बड़े वो नहीं है, लेकिन वो तैयार रहते हैं वैसे ही हमेशा. कोई ऑफिस नहीं जा रहा है, सब हॉल में ही बैठे हुए हैं बिल्कुल तैयार होकर के. यही चल रहा है, रो रहे हैं, डिवोर्स हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, शादी हो रही है, नहीं हो रही है, सेम प्लॉट. वो अपडेट ही नहीं किया है
But
उन्होंने कुछ,
Pakistani serials have become
बिल्कुल
like
सेम
this
है.
now. मतलब 10 साल पहले the
हाँ,
Pakistani serials that I watched were legit, really good serials with really good
yes,
plot lines.
yes, good,
Zindagi Gulzar Hai, I remember, I
yes,
loved that show.
yes. I recently watched
Very
it.
nice.
I
Like,
recently
and
watched it.
plus, like, Fawad Khan is there.
Hmm.
He's so good at acting. But,
Hmm.
you know, like, some people watch for Ronit Roy, some people watch for Fawad Khan. You know,
They're two
they're
different people.
two different planets.
I relate to the Fawad Khan camp.
But yeah, ये बहुत पहले देखा था.
I watched it क्योंकि इतने रील्स आ रहे थे, जिंदगी गुलजार है के इतने रील्स आ रहे थे, तो मैंने कहा देख लेते हैं, क्यों चिल्ला रहा है इस लड़की पे ये. देन उसके व्यूज थोड़े वैसे थे, रिग्रेसिव.
But जिंदगी गुलजार है.
It's that reel or what? तुम क्यों रो रही हो? That is from that. No, there's one
नहीं
reel
वो
no, where
वाला
he's
वो
yelling at a girl, being like, तुम क्यों रो रही हो? And she says, मुझे
नहीं
भी
मैं
नहीं पता.
नहीं मैंने दूसरी देखी थी, जिसमें कॉलेज में वो बोल रहे हैं कि सुनो, आई एम सॉरी, ही डिड समथिंग अर्लियर, सो बोली ओके. तो बोला अरे मैंने सॉरी बोला, तुम उस पे अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रही हो मुझसे. तो बोले आपने सॉरी बोला, अभी जाओ, आई डोंट ओ यू एनीथिंग.
No, so Zindagi Guldara is very progressive from the point of view कि they show that she's really affected by patriarchy in her life. So her father he has two daughters, and so then he leaves this wife and he marries somebody else so that he can have a son with his second wife. And then, you know, the financial situation of his first family is not that great. So she studies to become the equivalent of an IAS, right? But then what happens is when she's herself in a family, and she has a daughter, she becomes really weirded out by that, and her anxiety of the past really manifests in her inability to like deal with the situation and worrying about her child's future and things like that. And he actually does help her heal from that perspective. Because she thinks he will not be happy that they have a girl child. Spoilers for anyone who has not seen this 15-year-old serial. But it's more realistic because you're like, yes, patriarchy doesn't just leave it doesn't just leave once you get a job and you become independent, or you marry a supportive husband. It still comes back and haunts you in different ways, and you still worry about
Yeah.
the next generation. And you need somebody. In this case, it's her partner who helped her through this. Like, he's very supportive. But overall, it's like one of the best serials I've ever watched. And I don't think that I've seen the equivalent of, like, with the pacing, the narrative, the dialogues. I haven't seen an Indian serial that is of that same quality
I
at all.
think Diya Aur Bati Hum
Yeah,
tried to be this Pakistani
Hmm.
serial, but failed after a month or so.
Because money.
Yeah, because money, and she was
Yeah,
she was
exactly.
slightly dark-skinned, career-oriented. She wanted to become a police officer. Her husband, who was uneducated, supported her write the exams and uh supported
He
हाँ
had
हाँ
a
made a
mithai
mithai
ka
ka dukaan,
dukaan, which was a
and
very big.
she kind of gave the exam, became a police officer. She did her job and managed the house and wore pants, like the police uniform, wala pants uniform to work, which was such a big deal. And then in the house, she wore the ghungat and all that. So
She died or something in
I
the end,
gave
is
up
what I
after
heard.
a point.
Some house fire or something happens, she saves everybody,
Acha.
then she dies,
But
is what I
like,
think.
if you
I
think
could
about
be
it,
wrong.
wearing pants itself is also it's pretty revolutionary for that
Yeah.
time, because, too many of our mothers did not really wear pants. Such a weird thing to say. It feels like we're
Yeah,
in the
that show was
50s,
still a little
but
Yeah.
like progressive.
No, that's why I did
but it's
quote
true.
unquote for pants. No, because it's also like wearing the
Yeah.
pants being the decision maker wala pants also. So
Yeah. Yeah.
symbolism बहुत हो रहा है वहाँ पे.
Yeah. So ये
That show a little bit have less complaints about. It was like pretty decent.
And before we move on to Nagin, which I'm sure Nidhi has like a full, no,
Nobody
Nidhi
has
has all the
watched.
info on that.
Nidhi has
We
watched Nagin.
must,
She's ready
Yeah,
with.
Nidhi has all the
So
reels.
there
like,
used to
of,
be this book
The
series,
animals.
growing up, called Animorphs. Okay. So in Animorphs, in every single book, there is a new child who realizes that they're an animorph, which means they morph into an animal at times. So it's like that is like Nagin, but for adults.
but they see. So I think Nidhi is going to have like a trauma dump for us. It's like for her, the whole,
No, no. I haven't watched it. I just what happened? ये reruns जो चल रहे थे इसमें से किसी में कोई नागिन वाला भी था और और it was pretty famous ना कि औरतें नागिन बन जा रही हैं क्योंकि बाकी सबसे लोग बोर हो चुके थे अभी चाहिए जानवर एक बीच में ऐसा चलती फैमिली में बीच में एक जानवर चाहिए तो औरतें नागिन बन जा रही हैं क्योंकि औ- औरतें औरत होते हुए बदला नहीं ले पा रही थी लोगों से तो उनको फिर नागिन बनना पड़ रहा
but
था
but
तो
I have a
नागिन
question.
हाँ
ये euphemism में why are all women converting to snakes? तुमको दूसरा कोई animal kingdom से कोई नहीं मिला.
मिला मिला
Fly.
नहीं बाद में they got tired of नागिन भाई they tried छिपकली हाँ
That's
Why
worse.
छिपकली भी
cold-blooded
That's worse.
reptiles?
Why reptile?
और वो
They
reptile
only
ऐसा
learn to do the
ऐसा
VFX for that. They don't know. Okay,
हाँ
what is your suggestion? What sugar glider? Like, what do you want women to turn
अरे
into?
यार,
What are
let's
your
go the
suggestions?
mythological way. तुम माँ काली से inspiration लो. Let them become predatory cats. Why not?
That's true. Like, tiger क्यों नहीं
वो
बने? Like, they're just as fearsome. In fact, more like snake
हाँ,
को तो तुम एक
lioness
नहीं
कुछ भी हो
टिक
पहले
से
आते
मार
थे
दो.
पहले इस तरह के सीरियल्स आते थे आई थिंक इट स्टार्टेड विद ये वनराज वाला एक सीरियल आता था आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेम्बर मुझे डीडी नेशनल का पता है हो सकता है किसी और पे भी आता हो और वो डीडी नेशनल पे भी आता हो वनराज वाला ही यूज्ड टू बी अ वेयरवुल्फ राइट किसी एक दिन वो वेयरवुल्फ बन
Oh,
जाता था
so
जाके
there
I
have
don't
been
know.
male protagonist
हाँ
transformations also. That's interesting.
हाँ
So
हाँ
were they
हाँ
inspired
हाँ
from
वो था
Twilight and
और
Vampire Diaries? Like,
could be
One
But
second,
did that come
kind of
much
one second. We
later?
are Hindu Rashtra. Please do not. We gave them these ideas. Twilight is inspired from us, okay? कुछ भी.
Twilight is inspired from Nagin.
Are I was seeing some talking about this. I was seeing some video and so, they were saying Banegi apni baat and Tara were like the original friends and Sex and the City. I'm like, enough. Don't give yourself so much credit also. Really scraping at the bottom of the barrel. So your shows are like, it's still like much better than what's happening now. But they're like, no, we are the original friends. And Sex and the City, they copied from us. I said, okay.
Nice.
Correct.
ऐसे ही नागिन बनते बनते दे टर्न इनटू रेप्टाइल्स और मैंने कुछ रील देखी थी उसमें वो कुछ और बन रही थी आई रिमेम्बर देन आई पोस्टेड कि ये धीरे धीरे सारा एनिमल किंगडम कवर कर लेंगे एक एक टर्न होते होते और उसके बाद कहीं पे एक तो कोई सीरियल था वो फेमस है आई गेस जिसमें वो चिंपैंजी या फिर कुछ बन जाती है वो लोग हाँ वो लोग जू जाते हैं तो वो पता नहीं क्या आई थिंक
I'm scared. They go to the zoo.
बन जाए.
So she finds her calling. She's like,
Amrita, zoo mat
It's
jana.
like being caged at home. I'll be
Zoo mat
caged
jana.
here.
This is the lesson. Do not
I
go to
live
a
far away from
Oh,
my
shit.
family and now I'm concerned कि वो क्या देख रहे हैं. Like what television are they watching during the day? But this Nagin thing is very interesting. So I always wanted to understand the psychology कि Nagin ही क्यों? Like is that because we have a culture of reverence for snakes or Nag Panchami हम celebrate करते हैं, so they can bring that not mythological, that religious aspect into Nagin as well, like it becomes intermingled with religion, like Q Nagin Q, like at one
So,
point of time there were 3 different Nagin serials.
so very honestly, if you want to derive from religious aspects, like I said, predatory cats सारे हैं तुम्हारे पास, tigress, lioness, सारे हैं options available. But तुमने
That's
choose
true.
किया snake
तो
because,
गाय क्यों नहीं चूज किया? क्योंकि गाय तो ज्यादा होली है.
of course, why not?
But guy wouldn't harm you, right? उसको बदला लेना है गाय
Listen,
कैसे बदला लेगी
okay, there was
मारना
a
is
point
not
of time
that
when I was
like
riding my
सुंदर नहीं
moped
दिखता
and
उसमें
a cow charged at me. This is not just me. This has happened multiple
No,
times to
but
multiple
आपको
people.
बट घर में गाय होना इज डिफिकल्ट और घर में नागिन होना इज इजी नागिन कहीं भी जा
Can
सकती
hide.
है
Yeah.
छुप सकती है एंड नागिन लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल आई थिंक
The jury is
मतलब
out on that.
आई डोंट नो हाउ टू
There's
एक्सप्लेन
an
इट
entire generation of people
I was like,
scared
Yes.
to death of snakes. Maybe that's why.
मतलब काफी पुराने मूवीज से नागिन के आउटफिट को दे हैव ग्लैमराइज्ड मतलब नागिन से जब वापस आते हैं या नागिन मतलब वो इच्छाधारी नागिन जब होते हैं तो वो बहुत सुंदर दिखते हैं इच्छाधारी गाय किसी ने नहीं
Okay, I
इच्छाधारी
have
गाय
another
would be
angle for
nice.
this.
हाँ, I also have another
I have
angle. Go on,
another.
Richa.
So my angle is this like a Freudian urge to become a snake?
I thought it was like this evolution of that Wish Kanya thing. Won't like Wish
हाँ
Kanyas a thing.
What are Wish Kanyas?
And
Okay,
then
please
they're
tell
like,
me what are
why?
Wish Kanyas?
According to, I used to watch that Chandragupta Maurya, and then one
चंद्रकांता
character was a Wish.
चंद्रकांता से
Chandrakanta.
आया है नागिन एंड विश कन्या.
No, no. Chandragupta Maurya, that
अच्छा.
mythological serial that used to come on Sony Live, I think. They basically, since a young age, they give them little poison, so then they become
Venomous.
yeah, they become
You're
venomous.
poisoning your
Like the
kids.
poison doesn't
and
affect them anymore.
not your kid like
Some
Any girl on the
that's
street,
worse.
any girl
just drag her.
any girl they find like ऐसा उसको
So
बाद
you're
में as a
going around
weapon use
poisoning
करने
एक
के लिए
सेकंड to know how
no
vaccine and immunology work वैसे ही काम करता है विश कन्या indoctrination.
Ah.
बहुत कम
Why is
Science.
everybody? I swear to God, if anybody intellectualizes any of this shit,
So
I'm getting
I
so mad. I was watching that Swaddle documentary. This is exactly why I got mad even with that. I'm like, stop intellectualizing all of this. You're making it sound so much better than
okay,
it
okay.
is.
So the thing is, this is Spider-Man, right?
हाँ
हाँ.
लेकिन स्पाइडरमैन में एक ही बार हुआ था वो ऐसा धीरे धीरे करके they created very logically Spider-Man is not logical Wish Kanya is
Also,
logical believe me
my
Right.
theory of why we used snakes popularly as the animal to go to is because a woman's way of taking badla, quote unquote, is very chupa hua, stabbing behind the back, very venomous. And a snake fulfills all these aspects of how women behave when they are negative.
That's true.
ऑल्सो बोलने के टाइम पे भी बोलते हैं ना, नागिन है बिल्कुल ऐसा, मतलब बहुत इजीली किसी को बुरा
So
बोलने के लिए नागिन बोल
they
देते हैं।
slither
तो मतलब
through the situation. They sting you. I mean, it's a snake bite, and they spread venom in the situation. So proverbially, I think the snake fits.
एग्जैक्टली दे हैव टू बी पॉइजनस, और गाय
हाँ.
पॉइजनस नहीं हो सकती इस वजह से। आई हैड टू कम बैक टू दैट, पॉइजन चाहिए था तो इसलिए नागिन
You
बनाते
can
हैं।
make a wish guy also, I think. Just give little poison to guy.
काला
As a calf, I think.
देखो बहुत
Doesn't
I think
help
you
if you
can
have a
do it.
cow
Of
that turns
the,
into a snake and vice versa. You need a person who
बाय द वे विश कन्या को वो ऐसे यूज करते थे कि विश कन्या यूज टू बी अ वेरी प्रिटी लेडी।
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं कि
उसका
किसी को भी बना
criteria
दिया,
है।
वो बहुत सुंदर
Medusa
होनी
type.
चाहिए।
हाँ.
हाँ
अच्छा,
Or
हाँ
maybe
हाँ,
not
इट शुड बी
Medusa.
वेरी
No.
ब्यूटीफुल।
And
फिर
one
उसके
second,
बाद
Vish Kanya का character progression समझो. She grows up to be a beautiful, seductive woman who entraps you
यस
and then bites you while kissing you and kills you. This is her role.
यस या
Okay.
दैट यस, तो शी इज अ
Great.
स्टेट वेपन।
This is
I hope
weapons of mass
our
destruction,
government
desi
doesn't know
version.
about this.
Okay, but my real
Bio
question is,
weapon.
if you start giving somebody poison, they will just become inured to the poison. Like they won't get,
Yes.
they won't die from snake
हाँ
bites.
हाँ
Yeah.
They don't really.
yeah
Why aren't there
right.
men turning into snakes?
They don't become
They
poison.
don't become poisonous.
No, I
The
didn't get the
VFX is a little
question.
hard for that.
I didn't get the question.
she's saying थोड़ा थोड़ा poison देंगे तो you will become like immune to
Immune
it
to
ना।
हाँ
आप काटोगे, आपके अंदर
हाँ.
जहर नहीं मतलब उत्पन्न हो रहा है ना, आप बस
So
immune हो।
is it that the
हाँ
impact
wow
of giving poison to
I'm not becoming the coronavirus because I took the
exactly
vaccine. No, that's what she's saying.
So yes,
vaccine की तरह क्यों नहीं act
uh,
करते हैं?
so it acts like a vaccine. So
Oh
the basic
shit.
point is that you have, I'm explaining, you have wish running in your blood, but
Sorry.
you can
Uh-huh.
carry that wish in you because you have developed a resistance to it.
Hmm.
And when you bite someone,
हाँ
you can transfer it
Okay.
with
I hope nobody
I
is
like how
getting
you
an
just
idea
like
out of this.
seriously
Yeah.
nodding. Just like really
which is like
seriously nodding.
so
I'm
when you
scared.
kiss, scientifically, when you kiss, there is exchange of fluids, right? So there's all
Uh-huh.
fluids being
Scientifically.
exchanged, including venom. This is how Vish Kanya works.
The
So
guts to call this
wait,
scientific, given
she's
the number of
Dementor.
people on our
Basically,
server.
हैरी पॉटर वाली Dementor है वो, kiss of death मिलता है विश कन्या
हाँ
से.
हाँ, kiss of death
Okay.
होता है. And certain serials
Yes.
said कि she has only one kiss per life. Yeah.
What?
That's so rude.
Wait,
Yeah.
Means one poisonous
No,
kiss
one
or
poison.
one
All
kiss
her
only.
kisses are poisonous. Okay, she's a seductress.
Okay.
Comes, she seduces the
Okay.
person, she kisses him, he dies, she also dies.
oh Queen Bee.
ले भैया, क्या फायदा है
Why
फिर?
does she die?
ये कैसा सांप है?
Suicide.
Why
I
does
don't know.
she die?
I think honeybee से लिया था concept. पता नहीं, they might have mixed the two.
और सांप में अप्लाई किया और दिखाया इंसान पे।
Basically इसमें कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. Not even like.
ओ हाँ
In The Princess and the Frog, the princess doesn't kiss the frog, then become a frog herself. They
Yes.
both become humans. This doesn't make sense. So not.
अरे हाँ, बाकी जो जिसमें कन्वर्ट हुए थे,
There was one जो मक्खी में convert हुई थी ना, मक्खी वाली बता, मक्खी वाली.
Yes,
That was
वही
that
बोलने आ रही थी।
वो
वो
movie Ega
मक्खी भी
जो
बनी
movie
थी,
बनी थी
हाँ
साउथ की movie. Now I say South की movie, I don't know.
हाँ, तो उन्हें
I don't
VFX
know
ले
whether it
लिया
was
उधर से.
Telugu. It must have been. Yeah.
Telugu.
But
It
that's a
started in
guy who becomes the Makhi, right? That's not a woman. Yeah.
Yes, I watched that movie also. It's also to take revenge from
One
this guy
second,
who killed his
question.
girlfriend.
How does a fly take revenge? I would like to know.
Dude, he does a lot of things. Okay, this was I remember he that rich guy's like he goes to that rich guy's house and he can like fiddle with things and everything. उसके एसी में कुछ तो कर देता है, वो कार के इंजन में कुछ तो कर देता है, ऐसे कुछ 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 करके वो मर जाता है. I really started this thinking I'll remember, but I
Honestly,
don't
the
remember. I'm sorry.
only annoying thing about a fly is that they just mandraw around you and annoy the shit
Yeah.
out of you. How is that vengeful?
What do you know, dude? Have you pissed off a fly?
You
Try
know,
pissing them
honestly,
off, then they'll kill you.
this is a very typical toddler behavior. I don't say much. Sorry, sorry, moms.
No, but he does some like things. But it's basically to take revenge for his girlfriend who this villain like killed or something because she said I won't get married because I'm in love with the other guy. And the other guy becomes a fly. I don't even remember how he becomes a fly. Maybe
He
it's time to
dies.
rewatch
He
the
reincarnates as a fly,
Oh.
I think.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember. Reincarnation, I always thought is a very weird plot point. I could never understand.
No, it's a very easy plot point.
At some point, you know, in the late 2000s, my mom shifted away from these serials to more regional serials. Like she was trying to learn Marathi a little bit, so you know, we were, and I was helping her through it. So we were watching like some Marathi serials where the language is pretty nice. Like you don't need to know a lot of Marathi to understand them. But it was kind of nice, and they were different. She got bored of this entire thing, and then once the Nagin serials came on, I think both my parents jumped right into comedy. Like just वो stand-up comedy shows जो आते हैं और कपिल शर्मा और ये सब, we'll do another episode on comedy, like what the
Yeah.
evolution of comedy. I
Kapil
definitely want to
Sharma,
talk
Tarak
about
Mehta. Oh my
yeah,
God.
Kapil Sharma, Tarak Mehta,
Tarak Mehta I can
श्रीमान
actually comment. I have
श्रीमती,
watched a bunch.
भाभी जी घर
I've
पर
also
है,
watched
all of these
FIR.
Oh no.
separate comedy episode.
Separate episode, totally. But
Yes.
the Marathi version of Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahti is called Honar Bhi Sun ह्या घराची.
Wow.
If you want to cringe watch, you can watch clips of it. Very, very fun.
Definitely want to watch that.
We still watch FIR. अच्छा वो जो मंकी मैन वाला चिंपैंजी वाला था वो थोड़ा गलत मैंने बता दिया. एक सीरियल था थपकी प्यार की. सो उसमें वो जाती है जू में जाते हैं वो लोग तो she falls into love with the chimpanzee. Sorry, I think this is more disturbing, but that's what happens.
This is furry behavior.
Yeah, that's what happens.
Actually, that's more
वो एक दूसरा
understandable.
सीरियल था जिसमें वो मंकी मैन बन जाता
It's
है.
more understandable. I'm falling in love with the chimpanzee.
Your marriage is so bad. You're falling in love with animals.
But
It's nice.
one, I think we probably covered the animal transition shows. Any final comments, or you want to go to Anupama, which is something I wanted to spend some time
I
on.
want to go on the most memed serial ever, which we barely spoke about, Saath Nibhana
Saath
Saathiya.
Nibhana Saathiya. Yes.
I mean,
Okay, let's talk about this.
okay,
Gopi and
pub quiz,
Anji.
pub quiz. Does anybody know what is the Rasode Mein Kaun Tha scene all about?
मैंने सिर्फ
मैंने
रील्स में
सिर्फ
देखा है.
वो गाने में देखा है.
अरे वो कुछ तो राजमा या कुछ तो
हाँ
वो बंद
कुकर
नहीं
में
करती.
हाँ
मैं थी.
कुकर में खाली
कौन था?
कुकर से
वो इसने बनाया था ना, यशराज.
बुर्राशी थी.
मुखाटे नहीं.
हाँ
I forgot his name.
बुर्राशी थी. हाँ उसने कुकर में से चने निकाल
चढ़ा
दिए
दिया.
और खाली कुकर पे चढ़ा
That
दिया.
is also a very trending audio, by the way, on Instagram. Highly trending
Yeah.
audio, that whole song. So basically, they made a
यशराज
song
ने
out of
बनाया
that
था.
full
हाँ
dialogue sequence. Okay, so just to give everybody recap who don't know ki what that whole meme is on. Basically, Kokila, who is the sass, she asks Gopi Bahu to make
Kokila
chana.
Bain.
हाँ, Kokila Bain. She asks Gopi Bahu to make chana. Right.
Show some respect.
So
MG.
वो गोपी बहू को फिर दूसरे काम के लिए बुला लेती है. तो गोपी बहू डेलीकेट्स टू राशि बेन दैट तुम वो चढ़ा दो. एंड शी राशि डज नॉट वांट गोपी बहू टू शाइन, so she चढ़ाws a खाली cooker purposely, and the cooker bursts because there is no liquid in it, and then there is a mess in the kitchen. And then she says ki how did this Kokila Ben says that how this happened, and then Gopi says ki my mistake, and she says no, you're taking the blame for your sister. I know because I called you here and she emptied the cooker.
Oh, solidarity wali
हाँ,
sister. I mean, like protective sister. Ah,
protective mother-in-law. Sister is the vamp.
protect.
Rashi Ben
That's
is
true.
the primary vamp of that serial.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
I
Rash's
have a
stepsister.
question. Cooker explodes only when there is something to create pressure, right? खाली cooker explode नहीं होता है, right?
साइंस मत
वो
पूछो
जल
इसका
जाएगा
यार.
बस.
ये too much you're
My bad.
expecting.
I really don't think they even they only burst when that I don't know what the whistle or whatever is like not properly placed, or there's this one valve
Yeah, if
thing
it's
that's
If it
not
blocked.
is
working,
blocked.
only then it bursts.
No,
Even with
blocked.
things inside.
And there
Yeah,
has
correct.
to be something to create the pressure, right? खाली cooker में pressure किस चीज से
Welcome
बन
to
रहा
our
है?
physics pod.
I don't.
Where we will explain to you how a
Sorry.
pressure cooker works in serial and outside serial.
Yeah. 2 minutes ago we called what Nagin scientific and we were explaining it.
यहाँ सब
Now we'll
मिलेगा.
explain to you how cookers work.
So
From Vishkanya
is
to cooker.
is this the show where she washes a laptop and hangs it out to dry? Is it this show?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Basically, her whole point is that Gopi Bahu is like the less educated one, and MG keeps saying Gawar to her. He's literally like keeps calling his
तो
wife
शादी क्यों की
Gawar,
थी
Gawar,
यार?
which
This I didn't
offensive.
understand.
Okay.
So
Anyway, and
Kokila
Rashi
Ben
is like this chunt wali.
liked Gopi Bahu for
मम्मी
her
ने करवाई
sanskari
थी. हाँ,
traits and
Kokila Ben.
agyakariness. Hmm.
She wants a
Submissive.
conformist.
She was
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
submissive
Hmm.
and servile, so she's like, "This is who I want." Yeah, that's why. So that's why he got married. He doesn't really like her. Rashi Bain's like this chunt.
And he was still talking to someone who he
Like a side
had
chick.
an affair, like
Huh.
had a
Yeah.
relationship with. No, I think calling her a side chick is not right. He was his girlfriend before
Hmm.
the marriage thing happened. He was the main person. वो sideline
And
कर
then
दी
he
गई
goes
बाद में.
on to date her, I think, right? While he's
Yeah.
married.
Yes,
Yeah.
for a
And
while,
then
yeah. फिर अचानक से
and then Gopi
he
Bahu has a
हाँ.
transformation and comes back and like gets her revenge. I feel like I've seen some of those
So
videos
Kokila
also where
Ben teaches Gopi Bahu how to write. Every afternoon she gets alphabet lessons and so there is that weird. So okay,
it's very
जैसे आज
progressive.
की हाँ आजकल में हम लोग कैसे दो पार्टनर्स के बीच में डॉम सब ढूंढते हैं वैसे उस जमाने में सास बहू के बीच में डॉम सब चल रहा था. So Kokila Ben wanted to be the dom and she wanted a sub bahu, but she took care of the sub.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's what they do
That's
these
sweet,
days.
yeah.
That's what they do.
No, but that's genuinely sweet. So
But
she's
yeah,
but
this
no, I mean this is different from like the original Saas Bahu show.
she's
Huh.
yeah, she's like very strict and everything because she's like ज़्यादा चढ़ मत तू. So then she's like, I have to keep you tame. So then she's little strict, but she's nice. Also.
Yeah, yeah.
इसके सबसे ज्यादा memes होते हैं. Like,
हाँ.
this is the Instagram. My favorite meme. I still can't get over the laptop washing one. I thought that was like genius comedy. Like, to be really honest, like it was really funny. I know we're laughing. We're kind of laughing at her, which I don't always like, but it is still like a reasonably funny premise. Do we want to go to Anupama?
Yeah, that's the only progressive serial I could think of, and I have not seen Anupama, so whoever has can take it away. But
So I have watched
apparently,
Rupali Ganguly before, right? So she's in Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, right? She's the middle class Monisha.
Yeah, yes.
And she's okay in it. Like it's not about her at all. It's pretty much about Ratna Pathak Shah's acting, like that whole show. Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. She's the main character in it. So Anupama mein, I've always seen in the promos or any ads about Anupama, she's always like crying and upset, and her husband is treating her poorly.
so just to
And
give a brief plot summary, so Anupama is like a I want to say middle class, but maybe lower
Mhm.
middle class also. And she needs to work outside the house, like have a job and a career to support the family. And her husband is against this whole thing, and her husband also cheats on her. And the people who primarily support her are her kids, I think, and her father-in-law is kind of supportive. So this is supposed to be a very progressive trope and a progressive plot, but like I said, I couldn't get myself to see any of it, so I don't know.
I mean, she's so unhappy. Like, it just doesn't seem like you would watch it. What is inviting you to watch this kind of a show?
I think in 2020, they wanted to show the struggles of a working woman. Like, a working woman has to manage her job, has to also manage her family. So there is a lot of work.
I don't know. Do you have thoughts, Kesar?
I haven't watched anything related to Anupama other than
I watched that reel that मैं अकेली जाऊं तुमको क्या whatever मैं किसी के साथ जाऊं मैं अकेली जाऊं there's one audio no
हाँ I think I've heard
तुम्हें
it.
क्या
I haven't watched
ऐसा
any of
I've
these.
seen that
Yeah.
it keeps getting like
On Anupama. But what is interesting to me is they also try to have Rupali Ganguly as run for political office. Like, didn't she run to be an MLA or MP or something like that?
Really?
Yeah. In
Real
real life,
life?
she joined the BJP.
No, in the series, I thought. Okay, in real life, she did run somewhere.
Yeah, in real life, she ran.
I don't know.
Let me
And
quickly check.
so I only came across this news that she's replaced now in this by someone
She was. Why doesn't this surprise me?
rude as in like she was too full of herself ऐसा कि ये serial सिर्फ मेरी वजह से they replaced her. I don't
So
think that will work.
she's filed a defamation lawsuit. So allegedly, let's just say
Against
allegedly.
You must.
against
Against her stepdaughter,
oh what what
who
is
posted a
happening?
video alleging that her father harassed her mother. So it's a stepdaughter. So her father harassed her, his first wife.
Okay.
So Rupali Ganguly is the second wife. That guy who she married harassed his first wife, apparently. But so she's joined the BJP, but she didn't run for office. I think she was just campaigning. And I think
Oh.
they wanted to get get a second Smriti Irani.
Huh,
I'm
younger
guessing they were trying to
thoda.
remake that. Yeah.
yes but it's a progressive show so it didn't work
I mean,
Okay,
I
so
don't know how
basically
progressive it is.
she joined in the Lok Sabha. She joined this LS, 2024 LS. She joined the BJP as a promotional person. She was just doing promotional activity.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, I always thought Anupama is awful, and nobody I know has ever watched it. Like, even my mom doesn't bother to watch it.
So I have a bunch of friends in tier 3, tier 4 cities where the youngsters are watching Anupama, and they are really identifying with her, which is in itself scary.
Yeah.
Okay, that
I thought you were going to say good
that replacement news was
Because
मुझे लग रहा है बहुत बूढ़ी होती जा रही हूँ जैसे अंकल लोग बहुत सब चीजों में भरोसा कर लेते हैं मैं भी
So I have
भरोसा
a
कर
friend who
लेती
is
हूँ
like 25, 26, I want to say, and she is from tier 3, tier 4 town, and she watches Anupama and she says that it portrays the struggles that she has when she goes to a tier 1 city for a job, and her issues at home, and conveying her life in tier 1 city to her parents who are stuck in tier 3, tier 4 mentality.
yeah not many thoughts on this one I haven't watched I actually only found out in office because
Oh, so you have people in office who are watching it?
there's one office help we said kya dekh rahe ho and then she said Anupama
Okay, that's interesting. Because I think you don't really need to watch the shows to understand their impact and to even know what's going on in these shows. Like, they show enough promos and ads for you to roughly
yeah it's not like the plots have any depth
plot वॉट की कोई बात नहीं है. It's just if you take a step back, right? If we look at all of these serials, and we'll forget the comedy ones for a moment, from the 90s, 2000s, late 2000s, early 2010s, and then up till now, like what is the level of progressiveness? What is the level of aspiration that they are driving in women? Like,
I'll tell you, I
what
have
is their
noticed
impact?
I have noticed progressiveness, okay? पहले heroine of the serial used to wear sari with घूंघट. Then they progressed to without घूंघट. Then they progressed to salwar kameez. Now they have moved to pants with long kurtas. Okay? Lots of progress. Also, earlier they were like oppressed by SAS and all, and now they are showing this whole balancing of work and of family life. So lots of progress. ऐसा नहीं है.
See, it's not that wearing different clothes is, it's a sign of, I will not say it's not a sign, right? It's a sign of progressivism. You get more choice to wear what you want. That is, of course, not real progressiveness. And I'm not saying कि you shouldn't show like stories about more regressive households. Sometimes it's helpful to understand the impact. It's about how you treat the story, like with Balika Vadhu. It really is about how people can relate to it and how they empathize with some of these struggles, even if they don't have those exact same struggles themselves. But I mean, I feel like there's kind of a malaise even in serials. Like, there's not too many new serials coming out. There's a lot of rehash of old stuff. There's a lack of creativity, even in this not very creative area. It just seems like there is a huge stagnation in this industry.
Oh, I think writers को turnaround time कम मिल रहा है, तो वो लोग plots borrow कर रहे हैं. That's
Yeah. Also, if like, how can something not get over? There should be like some point, right? How can you just like expect anybody to continuously write? Then to like be mad at them, like at the show for like not being nice is just stupid. The expectations are only unrealistic. You're setting yourself up like
Yeah.
for failure, right?
Yeah, that's true. But do you think like I could write new plots with AI and you wouldn't notice?
Yeah, they wouldn't be interesting. No, how long, how much? 1, 2, 3
तो
months,
AI
4
को भी
months,
यूज
a
करने के लिए
year.
prompt generate करने में थोड़ा creativity तो लगता
हाँ, like I can say, okay, make क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी for 2025 audience. Like that's a prompt, and I could get something that is a little bit more relevant today, but it's the same crap.
But the question comes back to, has the audience changed or progressed? When you're writing it for the,
No,
when you
I
say
don't
you
think
write it
so.
for 2025 audience, the mindset of 2025 audience and the mindset of 2000 audience has not really progressed.
ऑल्सो टीवी की ऑडियंस उतनी ज्यादा नहीं है मतलब जो है वो आई थिंक दोज आर हाउसवाइफ्स और मोस्टली हाउसवाइफ्स नॉट एंटायरली बट
Just older people, it's
yeah
not you
exactly
and me.
and most of the
It's
people are
not
turning
us.
to OTT right तो
Yeah.
सीरीज और चीजें क्रिएटिविटी ये सब उधर दिखा रहे हैं ये जो ये डेली सोप्स हैं वो मोस्टली मैं औरतों को ही देखती हूँ क्योंकि और मे बी मेन डू एंजॉय इट बट उनके ऊपर थोड़ा रहता है कि दे शुड नॉट बी एंजॉयिंग इट तो वो नहीं देखते
Aisa,
Yeah.
really? There are people in my house who watch at night. My grandmom and
Yeah,
grandfather
older
watch.
generation does.
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ उनके ऊपर से थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो गया है उनके ऊपर पेट्रियार्की थोड़ा लेकिन इधर मैं नहीं देखती हूँ इधर कोई नहीं देखता है एंड दे
I
जस्ट
agree.
कीप
That's
वाचिंग
fair.
न्यूज ऑल
News
द
ही
टाइम
entertainment हो गई है तो फिर
दे माइट हाँ हाँ
हाँ वो बट वो अलग है ना उनको लगता है इंटेलेक्चुअल है क्योंकि न्यूज है बट
हाँ
व्हाट दे
हाँ
वाचिंग इज क्रैप ऑन
दे हैव
ईएनटी
एग्जैक्टली डेली सोप देखने से उनका थोड़ा कम होता है जो भी है इमेज तो मोस्टली इट इज हाउसवाइव्स या विमेन जो भी हैं और ओल्डर विमेन क्योंकि यंगर जनरेशन इज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड ओटीटी फ्री और पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन और फ्रेंड सब्सक्रिप्शन कहीं भी उनको एंड देयर आर लाइक countless choices right on OTT even if you want to watch trash बहुत options है तो why would you go to TV and watch ad at a certain time
I have
why would you do
another
that
thing to point over here कि even if we say the older women are watching these TV serials, so to say, a lot of younger women who are watching highly sensual content on OTTs. And those kind of serials have crazy views on OTTs. Just look this up. There are a bunch of them, especially
yes
on Hotstar. That type.
क्लास
Yeah, because that
like
is
class
personal viewing screens, right? Like these women are
Yeah.
using their phones to see this on OTT. So these are personal viewing screens, and there is a lot of repressed desires within the average young woman of India who is stuck like a housewife in so many situations. So I think that is become their escape.
Yeah, that's right. Because now there's an amount of time, after you eat dinner, you sit down and you watch your TV shows. That's kind of taken over by Reels and OTT on your own screen. The family is not really watching a lot of TV together,
Yes.
and that's why there's
हाँ
no real new stuff coming on TV. They're just trying to stick to trying to keep their existing audience, which is, I'm sure it's dwindling over time.
And I think the family viewing, like Kesar pointed out, has totally moved to news.
Yeah, and it is very hard to get people together to watch something which is which caters to everyone. Like my mother would would want to watch something else, and my brother would want to watch something else, and I would be okay with something else. So बीच में कुछ ढूंढना जो सबके लिए सही हो is a task that I don't want to do. So इससे अच्छा है कि मम्मी टीवी देख लें, मेरा भाई अपने लैपटॉप पर कुछ देख ले, मैं अपने लैपटॉप, दैट इज इजियर. तो कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है ऐसा जिसपे सब अग्री कर जाए. पहले पहले आई थिंक लड़के
Hmm.
बच्चे सब देख
Hmm.
लेते थे टीवी साथ में,
Yeah.
क्योंकि और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. सब साथ में बैठ के देख लेते
Hmm.
थे, इतना कुछ था नहीं. अभी इतने ऑप्शंस हैं, सब सब अलग अलग देखते हैं, कुछ मैच नहीं करता.
That's fair. So I think we can end here, but any final closing thoughts before we end?
No, I was saying my biggest gripe with any conversation that happens around these TV soaps is that this over intellectualization that everybody does. Ki nahi, I don't know how every time you say कि अरे नहीं लड़कियों की सास भी कोई कभी बहू थी, or any of these serials are bad, the first defense is no, Ekta Kapoor is a very good businesswoman. I'm like, but that's not the question. I'm saying
Yeah,
content is
exactly.
bad. Now she knows how to rake in the views. That's different. People watch a lot of shit, but I'm saying it's bad content and it's had an effect, right?
See, Ekta Kapoor and selling alcohol, same ना. Product खराब है for the masses,
Yeah.
but पैसा बहुत बन रहा है.
Yeah. Oh, I think we covered. My energy is sapped from talking about these serials.
See, आज का सबसे बड़ा टेक अवे for Richa, I think, was how Wish Kanyas are created and performed.
That's true.
And it works.
Yeah.
Today I learnt.
Today I learned. Yes. That is a fair point. Acha, so do you want to end this recording?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay, ठीक है. All right, we're good. That's a wrap.
मैं घूमूं फिरूं नाचूं गाऊं हंसूं खेलूं बाहर जाऊं अकेली जाऊं किसी और के साथ जाऊं जहां जाऊं जब जाऊं जैसे भी जाऊं आपको क्या Long years ago, we made a trip with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge.
8 नवंबर 2016 की रात्रि को 12 बजे से
चीफ मिनिस्टर के लिए मेरा एक ही संदेश है कि वो राजधर्म का पालन करें.
हार्डवेयर वालों की सोच क्या होती है, हार्ड वर्क वालों की सोच क्या होती है.
अरे ये ना पंजाब की खुशबू.